My kids get so excited about two things, cheeseburgers and meatballs. So bam, we put them together and we're gonna make the most crave-worthy bites you've ever had. Cheeseburger meatballs. The technique of making meatballs is super easy and approachable. So when we add in those traditional flavors to a cheeseburger, you're gonna love this. Whoever you make these for, whether that be your family or that Super Bowl party you're throwing, you're gonna be the hero. So let's get started.
For my meatballs, I like to use an 80-20 blend. And of course, look for the logo as you're shopping because we all know if it's not certified, it's not the best. So keeping it very simple, into the bowl goes our ground beef, our salt and pepper, our breadcrumbs, the milk, 1 egg, our cheddar cheese, mustard, and some chopped pickle. And the acidity from this pickle adds a really good flavor to this meatball. So mix that in really well. I'm just starting with a wooden spoon to break it up a little bit, but then I use my hands to incorporate everything together. I'm not squishing it necessarily. Consider it more of a fluffing. I like to prep my pan, so I simply use a baking sheet, I cover it in foil, and then spray the foil with a little bit of nonstick spray. So I like to use 2 tablespoons of meatball mixture to form 1 meatball. So you could use a tablespoon measurement for that, or you can use a small ice cream scoop, whatever works best for you. And using the palms of my hands to round out the meatball, I just do this really gently because that's what gives the meatball that smooth outside texture. And it's as easy as that. The meatballs are portioned perfectly and ready for the oven. While those bake, I quickly run my knife through a cold head of iceberg lettuce to have ready to serve with the meatballs.
Oh my gosh, these smell so good. The bubbly cheese is oozing out. I cannot wait to taste these. And this took no time. This was like less than 15 minutes.
Using that crisp lettuce as my base, this is how I enjoy serving them to my family.
Try it without the sauce first. The texture of the meatball is perfect. Oh. They're great by themselves, but that sauce takes it up a notch for sure. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time in the test kitchen.